Hey everyone, how's it going? Thanks for stopping by my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a snowman look for my Christmas series. So if you would like to see me go from this to this, then keep on watching. Throughout this video, if you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it, and I would love to see your guys' comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on that bell notification so you don't miss out on any videos that I put out next. So let's turn ourselves into a snowman.
So the first thing that you're going to do is take a washable glue stick and cover your eyebrows. Then you're gonna make your own face snow and you're gonna use some setting powder. This one in particular, I'm using the Ben Nye Neutral Set Powder. Then I made my own prosthetic, and I'm just taking some liquid latex, and the prosthetic that I made is I'm using it for the carrot nose. So I'm just taking the liquid latex, putting it down on my nose as the adhesive, letting it dry a little bit, and then figuring out the positioning of where I want my prosthetic to go. Then I'm taking the liquid latex around the edges. You can tell that it's stinging my eyes because my eyes always water when I use this stuff. I'm also taking a little bit under to make it stick a little more, and then at the very tip of the prosthetic and pushing it together, creating the carrot. I'm using Mayron Paradise Paint in just the white shade. First, I'm taking it on a beauty blender. I find that when you put it on with the beauty blender first, it's not as streaky, but I do go over it later with a paintbrush. Cover your eyes, get your ears, do your mouth too. And I'm kind of avoiding my nose at this point just because it's still a little wet. And now I'm going in with my paintbrush and just literally painting your whole face. Lips, eyes, ears, everything. Again, just be kind of mindful around the nose if the prosthetic is still wet or if you're using a prosthetic like I am. Then we're going to work our way down our neck. Now I'm just taking a black eyeliner, this one is from Pixie, and I'm just filling in my waterline. And now I'm starting to paint the rest of my body. I left a space in between because I am going to be painting on a scarf. So I'm just trying to figure out how I want the shape of the scarf to be. This is completely up to you. You don't have to copy what I do. I actually had a lot of trouble when it came to the scarf, but right now you're just painting your whole rest of your body. Now I'm taking orange from Mayron and I'm painting my carrot nose. If you made a prosthetic like I did and yours doesn't cover the side of your nose, that's why I'm painting mine. Totally up to you what you want to do. I like the look of how this was, so I painted the sides of my nose, and then I also painted underneath where my nostrils are. Going in with some black from Mehron, I am creating the kohl and outlining the shape of my lips, and of course this is up to you too. I'm kind of quick at this point, but later on I make it look better with a finer detailing brush. And I'm adding more kohls on the side, filling them in. Filling in my mouth area. Again, I'm just going kind of quick just to get the color laid down. And then I'm going to go back and detail the mouth a little bit more with a finer brush. And then I paint the rest of my lips black. And here I am going back in with that detailing brush. So once you got your details down, I took some red from Mehron and some green. This is in the shade Amazon, and this is where I'm starting to create my scarf. Like I said, I had a little bit of trouble with how I wanted the scarf to look. So really, it's completely up to you. It's supposed to be fun and choose whatever colors you want. But I just figured red and green for Christmas time, of course. I realized at this point that my hair was getting in the way, so I wanted to put it up. I have these little baby hairs that get super annoying, and I hate getting paint in my hair. This is where I start to have a little bit of trouble. Oh boy. Now I am painting on my kohls for the chest area. Just taking the black from Mehron. Continuing the scarf, or trying to continue the scarf. I go ahead and I outline the whole scarf in black. I find that it makes it pop out a little more against the white, and it looks like you are wearing it. I try to make the edges a little bit more fluffy, if that makes sense, and adding a little bit of messy texture. And then I'm carefully going in with the white around the buttons and finishing off the rest of my chest. Now I'm going to be adding some little details to the ends of the scarf, so I'm just going back in with the red and the green and making little squigglies. Now the kohls for the eyes, just take the black, create your own kind of shape that you want, and I do cover my whole eyelid. I suggest putting black eyeshadow over top because you can see in the end of my video my eyes kind of crease. I like saving the eyes for last because of that reason. I'm now taking brown from Mayron, and I am covering my arm as a branch. I'm just doing one because I took photos for Instagram, and so I usually will like to use a hand in my look, and so I'm making it thick around the white part so it looks like a branch. But I'm kind of being messy with it. I find that if you go more streaky, it looks more textured, kind of like wood. And then I'm going in with the white from Mayron and just creating random lines and squiggles. Completely random. You can also mix some like yellows and maybe light brown if you wanted. And then the last step is the hat, of course.
So this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, again, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.